Here in this room, what did you do? I just can't get enough.
Welcome back to my channel, everybody. I am back with another video, and today we have a special collab. We are working with YASGRL hair. Guys, their packaging was everything. They sent me this manual giving you instructions on the contents of the hair. So we are working with this bohemian beach wave loose curl wig, and it's a 5x5 closure, so this is definitely perfect for beginners. I'm going to be showing you guys how to do a completely glueless closure install, and I wanted to show you guys how I bleach the knots, give you an in-depth tutorial. So I'm using the Salon Care bleaching powder and the 40 volume developer as well. In this part of the video moves kind of fast, so I just used that and mixed it to a thick toothpaste consistency so it doesn't leak through the knots. And as you can see, before I sprayed the got-to-be spray so the bleach doesn't seep into the knots. So yeah, I'm gonna let you guys look at this part. So after about 15 to 20 minutes, you want to start looking at your lace to see if it's turning a brassy reddish color. Once it does that, that means your knots are completely finished. You don't want to leave it in for too long because you could over process your knots and the hair could start coming out. So after that, I'm taking my ionizing shampoo to stop the bleaching process, and I'm taking my purple shampoo to tone the knots as well. In this part, I'm going to show you how I pluck. I am plucking not in a specific direction, but I am going back, like I'm parting the hair back so I can get the lace as natural looking as possible. This is very important to achieve that overall flawless look that you're going for. And I'm not staying in one space. I'm moving my pluckers or my tweezers around so that I don't create a hole in the lace. And I'm going to show you guys how I install. So you guys, this wig was constructed beautifully. I didn't really have a problem with the lace or trying to lay it down at all. I'm gonna really let you guys watch because the install is so self-explanatory. You're literally just cutting off the lace, and I'm gonna show you the products that I use to make sure that you don't have that white mark across your forehead. But this hair was gorgeous. Like, I loved working with it. The hair itself did not shed. I had barely any shedding. As you can see, you could wear this completely glueless without any product. I tried to do a middle part, but I'm like, nah, I'm gonna just go for the side. I know I do side parts all the time on my channel, but you can never go wrong with a side part. Like, you have to love a side part, like, period. So I'm adjusting the wig. I'm showing you guys how I install it. A lot of the footage that I recorded actually got cut out, so I wanted to show you guys how I did my braid on the side, but I'm gonna come back and show you how I pull it out to give it that, what do you call it? To give it that French braid look, because I still do not know how to do a French braid. I'm gonna learn though. I'm gonna learn because I think French braids are so cute. But yeah, I just pulled it out on the side so that it can give that look without it being the look. And I also put some gold beads on it so it can kind of make it pop a little bit more. But I'll let you guys see that. Yeah. So to make this install as seamless as possible, I took my Motions, and it went by super duper fast, but I took my Motions light spray. It's kind of like, it's not as strong as spritz, but it gets the job done, and it leaves my lace down for a long time. So I'm spraying that with medium heat, and I'm gonna tie down my hair with the band that they sent me. So guys, that's just gonna give it that flawless look. And as you can see here, I lost the footage of me doing the braid, but I literally just parted out some hair and did a simple plait down the center of my head, and I'm pulling it out to give that effect of a messy bohemian type of look. And I took some beads. Those bands that I got were from the beauty supply store. You can get them from pretty much any beauty supply store. And guys, I'm not putting a lot of product in this hair. Honestly, I'm just spraying water and adding a little bit of mousse and calling it a day. Like, this is how simple and easy it is to follow or to install this hair. Is beginner friendly, completely beginner friendly. The lace on it is bomb. You just have to do a few extra steps and you're pretty much set. So Guys, can we just get into this unit? Like, the curls on it are so freaking pretty, and it doesn't knot and it doesn't tangle. Like, we love that. But anyways, I'm going in with some mousse. I'm using the Jam mousse. That's not the mousse that I typically use for my installs, but that's the only mousse I had at hand. I normally use my Motions mousse or Nairobi, but this is all I had. It got the job done. Y'all look at the lace. Like, look at this hair. It's so freaking pretty. And then the braid on the side just adds a little oomph to it. But I'd like to thank everybody for watching my videos. Comment, like, and subscribe. Support your girl. Thank you for all those who have been supporting me, and I will see you guys in the next video.
Chilling all day, all in your space is where I wanna be. Here in this room, what did you do? I just can't get enough.